What's going on, everybody? It's Calvin with CT Sounds, and today we're going to be doing an amplifier dyno test of the CT-2000.1D. It's a Class D monoblock amplifier rated at 2,000 watts RMS. It has 0 gauge power and ground terminals, 8 gauge speaker wire terminals. Over here on your variable adjustment control panel side, you have your power and protect, your remote input for your bass knob, your input RCAs, and your bridged RCAs. This amplifier is strappable. Over here on the variable adjustments, you have the gain, low pass filter, subsonic filter, frequency, and bass boost. So as I was saying, this amplifier is strappable and can produce 2x its rated power at 2 ohms. So with this amplifier being rated 2,000 watts RMS at 1 ohm, it can produce 4,000 watts RMS at 2 ohms if you choose to strap 2 amplifiers together. So if you're wondering how to strap the amplifiers, our amplifier manual goes into more detail on this, which we'll get into right now. Okay, here we have the amplifier manual open to page 10, which will walk you through how to strap 2 amplifiers together. So the CT series amplifiers do not have a master slave switch, which is something that you'll see with our AT series amplifiers. However, they're still strappable and the switching technology is automated. The amplifier with the RCA connected to signal output will serve as your master amplifier. So this page will walk you through step by step on how to bridge 2 amplifiers together. The minimum impedance is 2 ohms. So like I was saying earlier, strapping amplifiers doubles the power. So with this CT-2000, you can get 4,000 watts RMS at 2 ohms. So what's included in the amplifier are 2 decals, a thank you card, the bass knob remote wire, and mounting screws for your amplifier. Okay, we have the CT Sounds CT-2000.1D hooked up to the amp dyno. We're starting off with a certified dyno test at 1 ohm, 2,298 watts into 1 ohm at 14.43 volts. Next, we'll be doing the uncertified dyno run at 1 ohm, 2,357 watts into 1 ohm at 14.37 volts. Here we go with the dynamic run at 1 ohm. (2,828 watts into 1 ohm at 14.55 volts. Next, we'll be doing the testing at 2 ohms. Here we go with the certified dyno test. (1,543 watts into 2 ohms at 14.44 volts. Here we go with the uncertified dyno test at 2 ohms. (1,591 watts into 2 ohms at 14.41 volts. Here we go with the dynamic run at 2 ohms. (1,714 watts into 2 ohms at 14.51 volts. Now we'll be moving on to the testing at 4 ohms. Here we go with the certified dyno run. (894 watts into 4 ohms at 14.39 volts. And now for the uncertified dyno run at 4 ohms. (908 watts into 4 ohms at 14.35 volts. Here we go with the dynamic run at 4 ohms. (953 watts into 4 ohms at 14.44 volts. So just a quick recap here, the CT-2000.1D did over 2,200 watts at 1 ohm, and something that makes this amplifier unique is not only the power it puts out for its compact size, but also the fact that it is strappable, which is not something that's typically seen at this price point. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and be on the lookout for more videos in the future. Have a good day.